If you're having issues with your garage door closing and you own a Guardian garage door opener, the first thing you're going to want to check for are your photo eye sensors. See here how your indicator light is not on? It should be on and solid. On this side, your photo sensor light will blink, letting you know that they cannot see each other. It's very common for these photo sensors to be kicked, bumped, moved, or even blocked for the door to not operate in the down position. The door will stay open as long as they stay misaligned. Sometimes you'll just go over and you'll just move it in and then your light comes on. That lets you know that your door safety eye sensors can see each other. So what we'll do now is we're going to test it. If you're having trouble with your garage door or garage door operator, contact us today.